Life in the school.
Life in the school.
Can I borrow that your bikini? Notty and I have time to spend this weekend.
Hey, Philo. Be careful, yo.
Skrilla pan. Why do you think she's a small girl or what? What's the figure? You know with guys, anything can happen. Hey, girls. I'm here, remember? And I can speak for myself. I'm not a small girl, and I know what I'm doing. I can't waste my schooling. Even if I have to use protection, I'll do that.
You know, it'll be easy. Especially, and that's what it.
No be me, then you can. Why you dey busy me?
You cry. You laugh food too much. You know because actually they busy you. Hey.
This boy be serious hustler. Charlie, if you only one ball pet, he dey inside though.
See who let they talk. You get something for your box inside.
Charlie, show the inside though.
Girls, I have some wonderful news for you.
Why? Some jams or what?
What do you mean by jams? Don't you know the one you're talking to?
Madam, mercy you.
Actually, it's not a jamboree. It's this prayer program that we are organizing for We the Form 3s.
Didn't I tell you? Charlie, me had to go. Why have to waste my time there listening to him? Nonsense.
But you feel you go there here. Why you know hear what she talk? Charlie, left arm, make you go. Let's left arm.
But you, Pa, you be so you did.
Now this is the good news if they won't talk you know. Charlie, make me go.
Oh, girl, sorry, you wouldn't even wait for me to finish.
I'm sorry. That would be time wasting. See you in heaven.
Life in the school.
Life in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Be careful.
I be make you jump it.
Take the spoon. Take the spoon. Go down. Go down. Oh, it's nice. I feel you about. No.
Life in the school.
Life in the school.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
I'm really sad.
Why?
I'm in love. When she said she doesn't love me.
You told her. Who?
Tracy.
Oh, Tracy.
Tracy. Kumsiji's girl. Kumsiji's girl.
Chrissy G.
Kumsiji.
Oh, okay.
Z. I told her I rob her. She said she doesn't rob me. And I'm a villager. I'm not a villager. I inherited the English from my grandmother. So please, you're my rascal. If you go, tell her I really rob her.
I will.
She's my Robbie.
I will.
But in case you tell her and she doesn't agree, I love you.
I will.
Touch me again.
I will. Okay.
And again.
I said I will.
You're laughing. Touch me again.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Daga didn't dig it. Dig it down.
That's all.
So you guys know they knock if they enter somebody's room.
We and they come your room to have if or knock or a month for that.
Are you why? How big boys like we for knock? Come out.
You where Faridi?
You say here they come. What's up?
Charlie. The go be woman oh. The way she dey torment my life
Why?
Charlie, you dey chase me always for public sake of your money She dey like you me oh.
You still the owe am?
Kwasia, if I get parties like you, no be so you now go dey. Charlie, I go kwashi some boys so I get some soaking ingredients. They my trunk inside. Why? You won't come die for here?
Charlie, my stomach they pain me. I dey go shank.
I mean, no the chop proper too. Dig it down, Daga didn't dig it. Dig it down, Daga. Pacho, that's all. Where's Mafia me? But it what wrong you?
Charlie, my shank they come.
I dey talk say somebody come bust my show, you know here.
I did talk say my shank they come you dey here.
Charlie, that one no dey concern me oh. They come bust my show.
Charlie, if and the talk I done, the thing they come, no, can't worry me.
Hey, you what they wrong you?
See for this place.
Charlie, you're waiting the wrong out.
Say they go shank, eat and sank. I don't know why they go chop way. Stomach they pain them so.
Charlie, say what's up?
Charlie, the mafia me oh. That's all.
You of all people.
The mafia me.
Charlie, I the beg me. I can shank small. I swear, I don't want that. I the beg.
Me self, I dey die pass you for here.
Charlie, you make a day talk small. Then can continue. I dey beg. Why? Charlie, show where I go kwasi camp my trunk inside. Somebody can bust the show. Hey! Mafia this. I go show them. See, I be that's all.
Man, make it.
I go show them. Charlie, me I dey go sleep.
See. This is.
You see, I thought you say make we need chop the show, but the first we chop. See how we dey suffer.
Come on for there, hey, come on for there. You know me, you.
Allez, it's not easy.
Shut up, then, Shunk. Shut up.
Hey, the person who is still mature, you go to shankwa. Intestines all go come out. I swear, we go see.
Hello, you here?
Charlie, you not sure say if that's the way it gets you so. Say how we the shank for here.
Charlie, you know Peter so be that's all we medicine get. Confirm for there.
I said, you did top, you make I feel. If you also did this small.
Oh, Charlie, I the beg, oh.
No disturbance, please.
I the beg. Hello,
Hey, stop disturbing.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh, hello, the thing come.
You dey disturb me too much. They small. I dey come.
They can't come for my uniform. Oh, I shan't for my body.
To go be the goglo oil.
We're good. Hello. Today I'll go class. Hello.
I think you spoil your body.
I can't finish. Can't see.
Laugh in the school. Laugh in the school.
Sisters, good afternoon.
Where do you want?
Sister Shola, please, the prefect I should call you.
For where? Make you go. Else you go there for ground.
Make you come out. You didn't even knock.
You see, this is why promoting happy economic growth. And listen for Betty.
Charlie, they get the campus.
We again.
No, with this girl, we first to finish am.
First to finish somewhere.
Charlie call am make you tease am. I no go so call am.
Venice. Please come.
Oh, bless.
Yeah, bless. I love you. One. No, every day. Charlie, how are you?
I'm good by His grace. And you?
Also fine. No?
I'm good.
This thing be natural. Hey, Siano! Come here. Siano, I did it down there. Look down.
Senior, please, I'm sorry, I not saw you.
Fucking boy. Go down. No, get up. Kneel down. What? Huh?
Charlie Bennis, how be?
I'm good.
I hear say of late you be open. Wow. You go fit come jail on a home for inside. Eh? I hear say of late you dey like Choba Sanka now.
What are you talking about?
Oh, you don't understand?
Charlie, talk up.
See, I hear say you be the sensual healer for the SU there. So we they can't make you heal us now. That's all.
What?
Oh, why they pretend like you don't know what they go on? We hear say first to come feel you. Say you go bed down. We fit Anna.
How dare you? How dare you insult me in such a manner, huh?
Insulting my foot. You dey go enjoy your body there, you know talk insulting eh?
Hey, fucking boy. Hey, you. Say Accra.
Akla.
No. Say Accra.
Akla.
I be that one there, okay, be local. Say separately.
Secretary.
Hey! You don't hear what they talk? I they teach you. Learn well. Separately.
Secretary.
Fucking boy. You, what position you get last time?
We was 40. One sick, you know, come. So I'm get 39.
Hey, Siano. You were 40. So sake of that sick boy, no way, no come. Where you come 39? Siano, them go come out you from this school. 39. You don't know say this time. You can't the school again. Them go come out you.
You see what I talk you? I said you should have used the stove, you see?
You shut up. Everything you guys say you know armor.
Massa come out.
You guys cry. You don't know say the thing blow. The prefects go around then look for the people they blow the electricity. Shut up and keep quiet.
Charlie, we have to be careful, oh.
Me, I don't care. Charlie, make we go before they go come meet me for here.
But these people, they be tricky so.
I wonder.
Why them be wicked so? Any small thing, then they won't take somebody go the head in there. Oh, Charlie.
Charlie, make we come out for this place. Make we come out. They will come meet me for here. Make we come out to where they my slippers.
Hey, you. Get up. Now, cross your fingers. No. Cross your hands.
I not saw you.
Look down. Cross your hands like this and hold your ears. Fucking boy, your ears. You like this. Now, down, up. Oh yeah, make we go.
I didn't saw you.
You know they see what I do? I say like this. Down. Go, make you go together. Down. Up. No. Your own. Down. Up. Another. Down. Up. Fast. Now go. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up.
Oh my God. I don't think I can take this.
You always they do like you be gold. Not knowing they do your own thing.
Make you no mind them. So now than they do for their students. So now than they do. Charlie, we'll go find something job. This Choba Sanka, they can't flex me for here. I do like it. Charlie, see, first to cry for video this.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.